I think the MaxxFan here, I just got the MaxxFan original, good enough for me. It's not reversible, it only ventilates out. I don't know why you'd want to blow air in. The AC unit does that. I would just want to suck air out. That's what this is for. It's 4 speeds, fine enough for me. And this is the part right here that has to, it's a square hole, be a square hole, and it measures 13 3/4 inches. I'm thinking I might not go 14 inches. I'm thinking I'll go 13 7/8. That'll give me 1/8 inch wiggle room all the way around this. No rounded corners. The only thing is, when I lay this out on a roof, I'll need to put a after I lay this out with a magic marker on the roof where I want it, I'm going to have to put a large drill hole in each corner for the jigsaw that'll fit the jigsaw blade, because I can't make a turn like that when I'm cutting. So I'll cut a straight line, pull it out, turn the jigsaw the other direction, and 4 straight lines basically. Should be a lot smoother than the windows that I installed previously. We'll see how it goes. Of course, I got to go up on a ladder to do this, so as few trips as possible will be preferable. So I'll try to have to remember to take everything with me that I need when I go. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, so you see I've got I'm gonna put a hole in each corner. I got one here, I got one over here, so I'll put a hole in each corner, and I'll be ready to cut. Okay, I think I got everything I need up here. So hopefully I don't have to keep coming up and down, but we'll see. Yeah, so as soon as I started cutting, I realized I didn't need a hole in each corner. I could have got away with just a hole here and then another one diagonally across here, and then I could work my way into each corner from the hole like that, but live and learn. So the hole's good. Vent fan fits. One thing I'm not too happy about is the gap right here. So not a flat surface to work with like the windows. It just means I'm going to have to double up on the primary sealant, which is a butyl tape. And I think to keep it neat, I'm going to take the magic marker, go around this edge, so I'll know how far out I can put the sealant, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, well there it is. The fan's installed. Got it screwed down. Still need, so I need to trim off that butyl tape. You see it right here, which is easy to trim off, and that's the primary sealant. So once I trim that off, I need to go around with some self-leveling lap seal. But other than that, it's all installed. The top shuts when not in use. And here's what the inside looks like right now. Of course, I don't have the trim piece on, but that's what the inside looks like. And then when you add the trim piece, but you cut it down for the thickness of your ceiling. I think if I did this again, I would probably use bolts with nuts instead of this. And that's what I think I would have done different if I had to do it again. But pretty much done with the vent fan.